Now we look after the MCQs that are based on the electromagnetic waves. So first of all, I shall read the stem of the MCQ, and I will again select the correct answer allotted from the option 4 options, alternatives, 4 alternatives. We here take some multiple choice questions. The name of electromagnetic radiation to which the wavelength 10 raised to minus 2 meter belongs. Wavelength when it is equal to 10 raised to minus 2 meter belongs to option A, microwaves, option B, radio waves, option C, ultra UV rays, and option D, IR rays. So we have, if we have gone to just see in the scale, electromagnetic scale, we easily choose the first option as microwaves belongs to the wavelength 10 raised to minus 2 meter. Now the second one is, what is the name given to that part of EM spectrum which is based in radar? Radar means radio detection and ranging. In radar, which waves are mostly useful? Micro, radio waves, UV rays, and IR rays. So again, in the period we have seen that microwaves are preferred in radar. Now third example, which wave in spectrum of EM wave has wavelength greater than ultraviolet but less than gamma rays? Wavelength greater than UV and less than gamma rays. Options are radio waves, then alpha rays, beta rays, and X-rays. So here the first and last are the members of electromagnetic waves, but between these two, B and C, they are not the members of electromagnetic waves, because alpha beta rays are nuclear radioactivity rays. So this is the phenomena of nuclear radioactivity. They are not introduced in electromagnetic waves, so both are wrong options. And so radio waves and X-rays, but the greater than UV and less than gamma, they are nothing but X-rays. The next one is, again I will write the option. The wavelength of electromagnetic waves in the frequency. Now frequency is given 5 into 10 raised to 19 hertz in free space. Wavelength corresponding to this frequency, frequency is given, so we have to calculate wavelength, and we know velocity of the light, electromagnetic waves, is given as 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. So it is just calculation. C is equal to mu lambda, or lambda is equal to C by nu, or it is 3 into 10 raised to 8 upon frequency is 5 into 10 raised to minus plus 19 hertz. So after the calculation, what answer comes? Let us see here. Options: 0.04 angstrom unit, 0.06 angstrom unit, 0.08 angstrom unit, and 1.00 angstrom unit. So naturally here option is B, because here it is nothing but 5 to 6 is 30, 0.6, 10 raised to minus 10, 8, 11 meter. So this is nothing but 0.606 angstrom unit. So this is the simple calculation MCQ based on the example, numerical example. Now in greenhouses to keep plants warm, these rays are used. What are the rays are used in for the safety of the plants in greenhouses? X-rays, gamma rays, then infrared rays, and ultraviolet rays. So these are higher frequency rays, gamma, X-ray, so they are not used. Here we use in greenhouse effect. In greenhouses for the safety of plants, infrared rays are used. So these are some MCQs. Next one is the ozone layer absorbs. Ozone is the part of stratosphere, upper part of stratosphere, which absorbs ultraviolet rays. So ozone layer absorbs IR radiation, ultraviolet radiation, X-rays and gamma rays. So naturally it is option B, ultraviolet radiation. Which of the following has minimum wavelength? X-rays, ultraviolet rays, gamma rays and alpha rays. We know that frequency is inversely proportional to wavelength. So higher frequency, lesser is the wavelength. So gamma ray has less frequency, naturally option C. The velocity of EM waves is parallel. Options are velocity of EM waves or light waves, electromagnetic waves. Velocity C is parallel to vector E, vector B, vector B cross E or vector E cross B. Naturally, it is the cross product of vector E and vector B, cross product. The phenomena of the maximum distance up to which TV transmission from TV tower of height h can be received is proportional to, just we have seen the mathematical expression for range covered by the TV transmission, and so the maximum distance D is proportional to what? H square, first option, h raised to 1 by 2 under root 2 under root h and h raised to 3 by 2. So D is given as under root of 2 HR. So here the option is B. The speed of EM waves in free space or vacuum is given by, it is one of the properties. So we know that C is equal to under root of epsilon 0 mu 0. B option is C is equal to 1 reciprocal of under root of mu 0 epsilon 0. C option is C is equal to mu 0 upon root of epsilon 0, and D C is equal to under root of mu 0 upon epsilon 0. Naturally it is a reciprocal of 1 under root of epsilon 0 mu 0. This is a property. The waves which are used in telecommunication systems are visible, infrared, ultraviolet and microwaves. The option is microwaves. The speed of EM radiation in vacuum depends on source of radiation, decreases from radio waves to gamma rays, increases from radio waves to gamma rays, and is same for all components. So speed of electromagnetic remains constant for all components or family members of it is nothing but 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second it is constant for all types of radiation of EM spectrum. So option is again last one, D, same for all components. If the Earth did not have an atmosphere, its average surface temperature, what will happen to the temperature of Earth if there is no atmosphere? Option A, temperature will go up. B, temperature will go down. C, temperature will be unaffected. And D, it cannot be predicted. But as we go, the temperature will, average temperature will go up. The upper part, just I have seen this one. The atmosphere between height 50 km to 80 km is known as mesosphere, ionosphere, ozone sphere, troposphere. Naturally it is mesosphere. Human eyes are sensitive to dash rays, visible rays, infrared rays, ultraviolet rays, radio rays. So human eyes are sensitive to visible rays, and so option is 3. The range of audio frequency is 0 to 2 kHz, 20 to 20 kHz, 40 to 400 kHz, and 40 to 4000 kHz. Naturally, the audible frequency is 20 Hz to 20 kHz audible range. And so with this we conclude some MCQs, and I would like to make a great thanks to the organizer who have given me an opportunity to present myself with my subject electromagnetic waves for standard 11. Basically this is very topic of very small articles and limited scope. So even though I enjoyed it in special manner with the special technology, so once again I would like to thank all of the members who have encouraged me and who have given the opportunity to me to present myself on this bench. Thank you so much. Namaskar.